Is it good to have wall tiles in your living room? Dear friends, in terms of tiling a wall, the living room is the best place to accomplish it. Tiles not only last a long time and are easy to clean, but they also require less upkeep and maintenance. The ability of wall tiles to enhance the aesthetic attractiveness of the space in which they are put is one of its key benefits. Wall tiles are an excellent pick for visually dividing modern living rooms because they are regularly used to combine dining, cooking, and working activities. To add depth, dimension, and beauty to the wall of a living room without going overboard with the cost, use tiles, which are a simple and practical option. Tiles can be used to accomplish any of these effects. Here are the benefits that come out of purchasing and installing wall tiles for your living room. Cleaning and maintaining ceramic wall tiles are simple. Their resistance to moisture, germs, stains, and fire makes them a great option for rooms that see a lot of moisture and bacteria. Additionally, these are clean and long-lasting because they do not attract grime. Your design objectives can be met by choosing from a large selection of beautiful designs, colors, and patterns available in ceramic wall tiles. For a complete makeover of your residential or business project, ceramic wall tiles maintain their gorgeous appearance for years because they are sturdy, long-lasting, and crack-resistant. Due to their resistance to moisture and humidity, they are the ideal choice for living room accent walls and sections. Additionally, unlike marble, it requires minimal specific upkeep to guarantee its endurance. It is resistant to wear and stains. A gorgeously warm and inviting living room can be made even more colorful and interesting by the clever placement of textured tiles in various shades of sand, ash, and charcoal. A gorgeous accent wall serves its goal by catching the viewer's attention and tying together the subtle patterns and textures used throughout the room. An ideal living room is the main attraction point of your home, where your family and friends spend quality time together. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.